In this video, I'm going to show you how to add pagination in Elementor. Right now, if I open my website, you can see that all of my blog posts are displayed on the same page, and there is no pagination. If you would like to have pagination so that only a certain number of posts are shown on a single page and the rest are divided into other pages, you can do that very easily. Before setting up pagination, it is important to ensure that all of your blog posts are either placed within the same category in which you want the pagination to appear, or you can leave them uncategorized so that they appear in sequence. Once you have verified this, head over to your WordPress dashboard. On the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, you will see the Settings option in the side menu. Hover your mouse over it, and from the side menu that appears, click on Reading. On this page, you will first see two options for how your homepage is displayed. If you are using the free version of Elementor and have your blog posts showing up normally on your site, keep the option Your Latest Posts selected. However, if you are using Elementor Pro and have assigned your blog posts to a specific page on your site, you can select the option A Static Page. Then, from the Posts page drop-down menu, select the page where your posts should appear. For this demonstration, I am using the free version of Elementor, so I will keep Your Latest Posts selected. Next, on the same page, you will see the option for Blog Pages Show at Most. By default, this number is set to 10 posts per page. You can change this to any number you prefer. For example, I'm changing it to 3 so that only 3 posts will appear on one page. Once you've entered your desired number, scroll down and click on Save Changes. Now go back to your site and refresh the page. As you scroll down, you will see that only 3 posts are displayed on the first page. At the bottom of the screen, a pagination navigation is automatically created, allowing you to switch to the next page to view the remaining posts. This pagination adjusts automatically based on the number of posts you set per page. That's how you can add pagination in Elementor on your WordPress site.